Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming. And the title of the idea is PayGuard, Explainable AI Agents, Agentic AI Platform for Payroll Underpayment Detection. I'm not sure if already all of you think about that. If you are underpaid now, think about that or not. This project is with a team. I'll first introduce the project, and then I will hand over to Manija and then Nafisa. Let's have a...
Payroll underpayment is one of the most serious compliance risks facing Australian organisations. In just 3 years, over $1.5 billion has been recovered for hundreds of thousands of workers. Since January 1st, 2025, intentional underpayment is a criminal offence. With over 13 million employees and hundreds of thousands of award-reliant businesses, scalable payroll compliance assurance is now a national economic priority. Traditional systems rely on fixed, rule-based logic and manual audits. They cannot interpret complex award clauses, enterprise agreements, and evolving legislation. PayGuard is an explainable agentic AI platform purpose-built for Australian payroll compliance reasoning. It transforms payroll data into a structured knowledge graph, linking hours worked, classifications, entitlements, and award clauses. Powered by a payroll-specialized foundation model, the system performs contextual reasoning, not just document summarization. Designed for both employees and organizations, PayGuard delivers transparent compliance insights. An integrated AI assistant provides explainable, regulation-aware answers to complex award questions. PayGuard strengthens Australia's sovereign capability in trustworthy, regulation-aware artificial intelligence. Protect workers, protect businesses. Power the future of compliant AI.
Thank you. The team members are me and Manija, mostly done by Manija and Nafisa, PhD students of School of Engineering, and thanks for Zico, Patrick, and Kajal from Fairworks, Australia, that support us during this project. As the video shows that we have more than 2,700,000 businesses around Australia and more than 14.7 million of employees. Just FWO, Fairworks, recovered $1 billion and $1.5 billion from just 3 years, from near 800 employees during these 3 years. And also, these kind of softwares have so most of organizations are interested, and now because of some regulations from January that maybe have some jails and some penalties for organization, most of them are interested to review their payroll pay slips before reviewed by the organization, reviewed by Fairworks. So why PayGuard? Most of current systems are rule-based and cannot model the complex payroll data, and they are semi-supervised and semi-automated. But payroll data and also includes unstructured documents such as modern awards, enterprise agreements, and employee contracts, employee worksheets, pay slips. Any software needs to process all these documents, find the relationship between these. But in our solutions, we convert first payroll data into a knowledge graph. And underpayment here in this knowledge graph is a kind of anomalies. We detect anomalies, and we use an agentic AI platform to detect these anomalies, which are underpayments. And these kind of knowledge, when we convert the data to knowledge graph, so we can find the root cause of these anomalies. So this makes our system as explainable. And why agentic AI? Because we're faced with several data types, such as Excel, Word, documents, awards. It needs several agents to work together, each specialized with a part of this data, and they are work together to find the anomalies and find underpayments. Now I would like to hand over to Manija. describe the back end of this project, and then Nafisa.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. This slide presents the overall architecture of our project. Our framework is built as a cloud-based AI-driven compliance systems. We developed this system on AWS Cloud Services. We use some services like Lambda Function, API Gateway, Cognito, and also for store our data and documents, we use the S3 and DynamoDB. We use the AWS Bedrock for using large language models. And also in our project, we use multiple agents, and for manage these agents, we use step functions as agent orchestrators. These agents have different responsibility, such as data extraction, compliance check, pattern detection, discrepancy flagging, and finally explanation generations. In these systems, different agents try to parse payroll documents. After that, try to find anomalies in the documents. In the next step, they highlight the potential underpayments and generate a plain English summary of our finding. Our platforms can provide two types of dashboards, one for employees, another one for different organizations. Each employee simply can sign up in our platforms, and by uploading the contract, pay slips, and timesheet, they can submit a paycheck request, and after that the systems try to detect any hidden issues, and based on the result they can take actions. This is an example of output of our frameworks. Our system in this case identify discrepancy between expected and actual payments, and also provide some clear justification for every flagged issue, and also some evidence, and it reference specific award clauses to ensure transparency and the trust. From the organization perspective, we provide the dashboard-based compliance overview. At the level of department, the manager can view payroll compliance status at a glance. And at the level of employee, they can track which employee have been analyzed, and they can check the payment status. And also our framework perform risk assessments that, as you can see here, we can identify high risk areas, and so the manager can see any areas that require more attention or corrections. In addition to detection, our system has award assistance AI. So I would like to take over to Nafisa to explain more about it.
Thank you. As Mani just said, our system gets the award document and contract document, and regarding to this document, we make a knowledge base and retrieve these information into and save them into the knowledge base. And then we train the LLM model that fine-tune this knowledge and answer the questions of user based on this knowledge. This is, as you know, this is a sample of a Word document that, for example, for childcare, it's around a PDF around 80 pages that include different conditions, clauses, and different types of situations. And the understanding of this document is really difficult for an employee to understand their rights. So we assist the LLM to help the user. Let me to show you the demo of the application that we provided. This is the web application. We, as you can see here, three types of user can sign in: employee, organization, or admin. This is, for example, I'm signing as an user. Here, it is an user. There is two tabs here: chat with assistant and a new pay check request. For example, I would like to check my request. I input my types of contract. For example, I am working on childcare. For example, types of contract and the data that I would like to calculate my payslip. And in the next step, it's required to upload three documents, as manager said. It's employee contract, worksheet, and the payslip. After we upload these documents, the system tries to extract information from these documents, and the multi-agent system runs. Each agent is responsible for a specific task. For example, extract documents and analyze the documents, and then calculate payslip. And then it shows the result. It is showing them running the multi-agent system. After that, the multi-agent system is run. We can see the result. As you can see, it's calculated the pay, and it's detect, for example, the anomalies here, and it shows that how much it's underpayment, and it's explain the result why you are underpayment, and it's a specific point that it can apply for this. And also, this is the organization. Okay, I just want to show the chatbot that I mentioned. This is the chatbot. It's included the awards from the Fairworks, and the user can upload the contracts and ask questions regarding to the rewards, and the chatbots answer these questions.